If you pay too much by mistake, it is called A, overpayment, B, refund, C, top up, or D, auto payment.
Welcome to Lingo Ladder. In this video, we'll explore useful English words and phrases related to banking and money. From opening an account to making transactions, you'll learn the vocabulary you need to feel confident. This video is divided into 3 parts. Part 1, new words. Part 2, quiz. And Part 3, conversation. Let's get started. Part 1, new words.
1. Receipt. A receipt is a paper that shows you paid for something. 2. Balance alert. A balance alert is a message that tells you your account balance. 3. Transaction fee. A transaction fee is extra money you pay for a transaction. 4. Bill payment. Bill payment means sending money to pay a bill. 5. Refund. A refund is money returned to you. 6. Notification. A notification is a message about your account. 7. Payment due. Payment due is the date when you must pay. 8. Auto payment. Auto payment is money paid automatically each month. 9. Contactless payment. Contactless payment is paying by tapping your card. 10. Payee. Details. Payee details are the information of the person you pay. 11. Online transfer. An online transfer is moving money using the internet. 12. Deposit limit. The deposit limit is the maximum amount of money you can deposit at one time. 13. Security code. A security code is a number that protects your card. 14. Banking app. A banking app is a program on your phone to manage money. 15. Recurring payment. A recurring payment is a payment that happens regularly. 16. Top up. To top up means to add money to an account or card. 17. Mobile wallet. A mobile wallet is an app to store card information. 18. Card expiry date. Card expiry date is when your card stops working. 19. Bank charges. Bank charges are fees the bank takes for services. 20. Card reader. A card reader is a device that reads your card. 21. Contactless limit. The contactless limit is the most you can pay by tapping. 22. Bank transfer. A bank transfer is moving money between accounts. 23. Transaction alert. A transaction alert is a message about spending. 24. Overdraft fee. An overdraft fee is money you pay when you use more than you have. 25. Personal loan. A personal loan is money you borrow for personal use. 26. Cash deposit. A cash deposit is putting cash into your account. 27. Bank account details. Bank account details are the information about your account. 28. Withdrawal limit. The withdrawal limit is the maximum amount of money you can take out in a day. 29. Late fee. A late fee is extra money you pay if you don't pay on time. 30. Secure payment. A secure payment is a safe way to send money.
Awesome job! Before we jump into the quiz, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you won't miss any of our new videos. Let's go!
Un. What is the paper you get after buying something?
Correct answer is receipt.
2. Which word means money returned to you?
Correct answer is refund.
3. You get a if you don't pay a bill on time.
Correct answer is late fee.
4. Shows your account balance on your phone.
Correct answer is balance alert.
5. When you pay by tapping your card, it is called
Correct answer is contactless payment.
6. What is the maximum you can take out in a day called?
Correct answer is withdrawal limit.
7. Is the extra money you pay for using more than you have?
Correct answer is overdraft fee.
8. Is money you borrow for personal use?
Correct answer is personal loan.
9. Which word means paying your bills automatically each month?
Correct answer is auto payment.
10. You can keep your card details safely in a
Correct answer is mobile wallet.
11. What do you use to pay safely online?
Correct answer is secure payment.
12. The small number on the back of your card is called
Correct answer is security code.
13. What do you do when you add money to a card?
Correct answer is top up.
14. The date when your card stops working is the
Correct answer is expiry date.
15. What shows all your past payments?
Correct answer is transaction history.
16. Is a message you get after spending money.
Correct answer is notification.
17. Moving money online to someone else is an
Correct answer is online transfer.
18. You use. To pay by inserting your card.
Correct answer is card reader.
19. Is an app to manage your money on your phone.
Correct answer is banking app.
20. Which word means the extra cost of making a payment?
Correct answer is transaction fee.
21. If you pay too much by mistake, it is called.
Correct answer is overpayment.
22. The details of the person you pay are called.
Correct answer is pay details.
23. The most you can tap to pay is the.
Correct answer is contactless limit.
24. What is the date when you must pay a bill?
Correct answer is payment due.
25. Is when money is taken from your account automatically.
Correct answer is auto payment.
26. What do you call money you put into your account?
Correct answer is cash deposit.
27. What is moving money between accounts called?
Correct answer is bank transfer.
28. If the bank takes money for services, they are.
Correct answer is bank charges.
29. Helps you access your account safely.
Correct answer is secure login.
30. What do you use to see your account balance on your phone?
Correct answer is banking app. You've done an amazing job so far. Now let's move on to part 3, the conversation. We'll use the words we learned in a fun dialogue. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I got a notification that my payment due is tomorrow. Can I set up an auto payment?
Of course. I'll help you set up auto payment for your bill payment so you don't miss any dates.
Great. I also need to check my transaction history and recent transaction alerts.
Sure, you can see all that on your banking app. Or I can print a receipt for you here.
I'd like a printout, please. Also, what is my deposit limit and withdrawal limit for today?
Your deposit limit is $2,000 and your withdrawal limit is $1,000 per day.
Thanks. I need to do an online transfer to my landlord. Can I check the payee details before I send it?
Yes, always check the payee details carefully. Do you want to use secure payment?
Absolutely. I also need to top up my mobile wallet for shopping.
You can top up using the banking app or here at the counter.
Perfect. My card expiry date is next month. Will I get a new card?
Yes, you'll get a new card automatically before the expiry date.
Is there a contactless payment limit I should know about?
Yes, the contactless limit is $250 per transaction.
Okay, yesterday I got a balance alert saying I had low funds. I don't want an overdraft fee.
I understand. You can set notifications for low balance so you always know.
Good idea. How do I check bank charges and transaction fees?
You can see all bank charges and transaction fees on your e-statement or in the banking app.
Thanks. I also want to make a cash deposit today.
Sure, you can use the card reader here or the ATM outside.
Great. And can I get my bank account details printed for a personal loan application?
Yes, here are your bank account details. And remember to keep your security code safe.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Let us know if you need anything else. Thank you for watching Lingo Ladder. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Keep stepping up your English skills. See you soon.